This is Anurag More from OEM Update, and we are here at ENGIMACH in Gujarat. Sir, can you tell us about your company and about yourself?
My name is Srinivas. I'm the managing director of a company called Kabelschlepp. We're actually sitting in our stall here. So Kabelschlepp is a manufacturer of, let's say, drag chains for machines, for cranes and other moving applications. We also make telescopic covers and we make wipers for the machine tool industry.
Your products cater to which all industries?
So we basically cater to all industries where they have some application where they need power to move. So let us say you have an application that moves and you need to connect cables to that. So that's one of our businesses where we manufacture drag chains. So it could be the crane industry, it could be, let us say, bulk material handling, it could be machine tools, it could be, laser machines, it could be any application that needs to have power and it's moving. So that's where we are. The other business that we are in is a business called Conveyor and Protection Systems, where we manufacture telescopic covers and wipers. This is predominantly catering to the machine tool industry.
And sir, what are the trends and challenges for the industry?
Trends, I can talk about it. I think the opportunities are many in India. I think one of the biggest opportunities that we have in India is the amount of manufacturing that is happening in India is going leaps and bounds. It's going way forward. And it's a lot to do with the investments that are happening in manufacturing in India and also the government really promoting manufacturing in India. I think that's something that's doing very good things for us. Where do we have some challenges? I think one of the largest challenges that we have today is our exchange rate. So the biggest challenge that we have is our products are getting very expensive because we are a German company. We import, I would say, 99.9% of all our goods, and the exchange rate between the euro and the rupee is not very favorable for our business, and it's very difficult for us to go to our customer every time and say, look, the exchange rate went up. You say, what are you doing about it? It's not my problem. So that's one challenge that we have. I think another place where I guess a lot of customers would probably tell you is competition from China or competition from low-cost countries. That's a place that we don't see too much. I think the Indian customers are very discerning. A few of them do try to go to China and buy products from China, but they very quickly realize that it's not good quality. It's not, no paisa vasool. So that's a problem that they have. So that way the opportunity is very large for us.
And sir, how does this event help your business?
I think this is a fantastic event. It's the first time I'm here. But walking around the exhibition, I think it's fantastic. I think it's laid out extremely well. One very good thing is the meetings that we're having on the stall, or when you go around with people, you're meeting the right kind of people. It's a very good place to showcase our business. I think it's organized extremely well.
Thank you so much for your time, sir.